Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an exciting showdown for you.
In the left corner, we have the Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K dash cam, and in the right corner, we have the Pilot dash camera.
Let the battle begin.
Let's kick things off with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality. The Vantrue N4 boasts a triple-channel system that offers stunning 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p resolution.
That means you'll get crystal clear footage of the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle, providing you with peace of mind and solid evidence in case of any accidents.
Now let's shed some light on night vision capabilities. The Vantrue N4 comes equipped with infrared night vision thanks to its high-performance STAR-VIS CMOS sensor and IR LED lights facing the car cabin. Even in the darkest of nights, this dash cam will capture clear footage of both the driver and passengers.
Next up, let's talk about parking mode. The Vantrue N4 offers two options: a low bitrate recording mode that maximizes recording quantity, and a motion detection or collision detection parking mode that automatically starts recording when triggered.
It's perfect for protecting your vehicle, whether you're parked in a busy city or a secluded spot.
All right, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, the price. The Vantrue N4 comes in at $289, while the Pilot dash camera is priced at a more affordable $109.
The Vantrue N4 is highly recommended for its excellent video quality, large memory capacity, and easy installation.
On the other hand, the Pilot dash camera is praised for its clear footage, user-friendly interface, and affordable price. Well folks, that concludes our showdown between the Vantrue N4 and the Pilot dash camera.
Both cameras have their strengths and weaknesses, but ultimately, it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. The links to both products are in the description. Until next time, happy shopping!